Kristen people song and gloria Hosanna in excelsis gloria Hosanna in excelsis. Pray ye dutifully prime your messenger.